it's me, Sienna. I'm here to tell you about this amazing bag that was sent to me from Teddy Blake. I am really excited to show you what I got, so let's go check it out. First of all, let's just look how nice this box is that they shipped the bag in. Before we open this box, let me tell you just a little bit about Teddy Blake. I want to let you know that all of Teddy Blake's handbags are made in Italy. So you will see the same high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative designs, shapes, and durability that goes into each of the handbags. So you could say that each Teddy Blake handbag is like a work of art. Teddy Blake has various handbag designs to suit everyone's style needs. So if you don't see anything that you like at this time, just subscribe to their website using your email address to get notified as they release new collections every month. Best of all, with Teddy Blake, you can have the same amazing high-quality handbag at a much more affordable price. Oh my. So as I was saying before, Teddy Blake New York makes designer handbags made in Italy with luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Look at this. Even when they ship it to you, it comes in its own protective duster bag. Whoa! Oh my god, this is so pretty! So Teddy Blake was nice enough to gift me this bag to do an honest review on for all of you guys to see. So before we get this review started, my dog Gaston decided to join me like he does in many of my other YouTube videos. So now let's get this honest review started. Is the Kate Vitello 12-inch handbag in the color dark gray. So this model comes in 3 different sizes. This is the 12-inch, but it also comes in a 9-inch and a 15-inch, so you could pick whatever size suits you. This bag also comes in a variety of different colors. This is the dark gray bag, but it also comes in black, blue, light beige, dark beige, red, royal blue, bordeaux, and nude. So now let's get into all the details of the Kate Vitello handbag from Teddy Blake. So the handles on this bag are very thick. They're very sturdy in case you like to overload your bag, which I love to do that. So you don't have to worry about them breaking. I mean, just look how thick these are. These would probably never break, so. And the leather on this bag is a smooth leather. It is very soft. I really love the feeling of it. And it also comes with this cute little padlock decoration accessory, and it has the keys inside this little patch. You just have to push it out. And you can use this to lock your bag. And it's super simple. All you have to do is take one of the keys, which it comes with 2, so you know if you lose one, that's totally fine. And it unlocks. And I really love the gold coloring. Gold is one of my favorite. The bag also comes with a detachable strap, and it's super easy to reattach and detach depending on how you want to wear your bag. And the strap has a bunch of different lengths that you can adjust it to in case you want to wear it lower or higher. You can choose whatever you want. And to attach it, it comes with these little clips, and they're super easy to clip on. They are also gold to match the padlock, which is really cute. And so to clip it back on, it's super simple. You just take it and you clip it to this little tiny hook thing they have here. Super easy. And then do it to the other side. And now you have your strap. The bag also has their name imprinted in gold, Teddy Blake, New York. It's a really cute add-on. I really love it. And the bag is also expandable. So if you want your bag to be bigger or have more space, all you have to do is unbutton these little clips they have. Super simple. You just pull it and it's on both sides. So you pull and then right here, and then on the other side, and then you just open it up and it expands, and it gives you more space in case you have a lot of stuff in your bag. And I mean, look how much space is in it now. So much extra storage. Onto the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag has a very soft material. It feels kind of like suede, and it's also dark gray to match the bag. And it also has 2 zipper pockets on each side of the bag for you to store your stuff in. They're pretty big pockets, so there's a lot of space. You could probably store your phone or your makeup, if you wear makeup, or anything you really want. And on the other side, so you have double the storage space. I'm going to show you how to lock it. It is very simple. You just take the little keys off of this little attachment here, and you take the accessory and you wrap it around a couple of times just to make sure, and you unlock your lock with one of the keys because it comes with 2, so you don't have to worry if you lose one or not. And you just unlock it, and you take this little thing right here and you slide it on there, and then you relock it, just clicking it in, and you take off the key, and now your bag is secure. Don't have to worry about anyone getting into it, and you can just put the keys on your keychain or wherever you want to put them. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to adjust this bag. All you have to do is take this strap right here and take it out of this protective thing, and then it's kind of like a belt, so pretty easy, and you just take it off here. And right now it is at its kind of middle point, but it is super easy to adjust. So now we have 2 separate straps, and all you have to do is take it, and it has a bunch of little loops right here, so you can pick whatever one suits you. We're going to start with the longest one, and all you have to do is clip it to here, and you just put this through here, like I said, like a belt, and then you slide this little thing on to hold it in place, and now you have your strap. And this is the longest length it can go, and I'm 5'3", so this is pretty long on me, but if you're taller, this would be a good length for you. And if you want to, you can wear it crossbody. It makes it a little shorter depending on how you want to wear your bag. And if you want to, you can take off the clips, which, like I showed before, it's super easy. Just unclip that, comes right off. Unclip the other one, and you can wear it as a handbag. Teddy Blake has a St. Patrick's Day sale where you can get up to 70% off selected items. But if you missed the sale, don't worry because I will provide you with my 20% off discount code right now. My code is capital T, B, S, lowercase I, E, N, N, A, capital R, 20, and that will get you a 20% discount off of your order. In my description below, I will have a custom link to their website as well as my discount code. I hope you enjoyed my review of this Kate Vitello handbag. This is such a remarkable bag. I highly recommend when you're ready to purchase your next bag, go to teddyblake.com. The link will be in my description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.